Hello traders, Mark Chapman here, the creator of the trademark Trap Traders Concepts. Welcome to today's Trap Traders Trade of the Day analysis. Today's date is Wednesday the 5th of July 2017, and the trade we're going to look at today and the trap we're going to take a look at today is one that I refer to as a trap break pullback, but it also could be a stop hunt, so you have to be a little bit careful. And these traps occur when you've got a level, in this case resistance, but obviously it could be support as well. It's pretty nicely defined, nice and clear, and the reason why it could be a stop hunt is because there'll be stops above that level, and obviously as price has gone up strongly through this level, it's triggered those stops. But also what it's done is it's tempted in the traders who were trading the level as a level of resistance. So let's just take a look at that. I'm just going to change the color of this. So yeah, so as it sold off, people went short. Not so many did that because obviously this is a strong move. This is more profit taking than a potential area of resistance. It's when it comes up that second time that the resistance is confirmed, and then the third time the resistance is confirmed. But what it didn't do is it didn't follow through. You'll notice it just sort of attempted to, but never carried on above the 200-day period moving average. And the traders who went short in here got absolutely creamed on that massive engulfing candle. So there's a lot of demand in there. Now I favour the upside in this pair. The dollar, the data for the dollar has definitely shifted of late, but of course tonight we've got FOMC, and I'll be staggered if that's going to be positive given how the data has been soft recently, and how the dollar's been getting kicked all over. But you never know. So the two ways to play this is if this is what I sort of anticipate it will be, softness to continue in the tone from the Fed. It's going to continue the softness in the dollar. Then I think this isn't going to be a stop hunt. I think this is going to be a continuation higher. And those traders who are trapped in there, if it does come into this area before, sorry, let me just change that, before the Fed statement, then this looks decent to get long, because obviously you've got that demand in there, right? The reason why it shot up in the first place, massive engulfing candle, trapped those traders selling off that level because they thought it was going to go down. And if they've been caught, if they cancelled their stops, because not everybody would have been stopped out, if they cancelled their stops, obviously they're holding those losing positions, they're offside in those losing positions, and should it come down into the level, then you might want to look to buy that. The reality is though, this is a daily chart, so we're probably not going to see that, to be fair, before at the end of play. So this could be a stop hunt though, and if this is positive dollars, then this could have been a giant stop hunt, stopping all those resistance traders out, and you're going to see a big sell-off, and down to that 200-day a simple moving average wouldn't be a terrible place to look to take some profit. Obviously you're going to have a little bit of trouble in here, but you'd imagine if that's a stop hunt, prices would continue lower. So a couple of ways to play it. I favour the upside, to be honest, but as with all of these risk events, you never know. So wait and see how it plays out. And even if you don't perhaps get the opportunity today, you can obviously look at that level to trade it in the coming days. Okay guys, take care.